Let me walk you through a real project. An apparel store went from 2,170 to 8,450 monthly organic clicks in 18 days. That is a 290% jump. Every number here is straight from Google Search Console. Here is exactly how it happened. The store was RIPT Apparel. Strong products, weak search performance. 2 problems. Most pages had generic titles that did not match what people were searching for, and a chunk of the catalog was not even in Google's index. Invisible pages cannot get clicks. The plan had 3 moves. Move 1. We audited the 30 highest upside pages. Homepage, category pages, key collections. We ranked them by potential, so effort went where it would pay off most. Move 2. We rewrote all 30 titles. Each one matched the actual search intent, added an emotional hook, and kept the brand consistent. Not guesswork. Each title was tested against what already won that search result. Move 3. We ran a parallel indexing campaign. We submitted missing pages, fixed crawl errors, and pushed 33 previously invisible pages into Google. Then we watched the data daily and doubled down on the titles compounding fastest. Now the results. Clicks went from 2,170 to 8,450 a month. Click-through rate jumped from 3.3% to 18.3%. That is a 455% gain. One collection, Daily Deals, went from 8 clicks to 661. The homepage hit 1,848 clicks in a single day. Here is the lesson and why it matters for AI. Impressions actually dropped 31%. That sounds bad, but it was the point. We traded generic, low-intent reach for high-intent reach. Fewer, better matches. That same discipline, matching content precisely to what people are actually asking, is exactly what wins in AI search too. Systematic beats random. Whether the goal is Google clicks or AI citations, the brands that win are the ones running a real process. Want us to run that process on your store? Start at CiteVantage.com.